Hello guys, and welcome to the last review of 2020. Right now we're going to start off looking at the US30, and at the start of the week we had a beautiful trade to end this last trading week of the year 2022. We can see we did have, we had our first touch, our second touch, but we didn't see the day, right? We just saw that the market did shoot up and gave us that retest, and we could see, the other market is going to shoot down. When it did, because you can see we saw this trade set up right here, but the market only triggered it right here. Upon triggering, went up, gave us that retest and shot back down. But what you can also see that before the market hit our take profit, this was a 2-day trade. If we just look at this, so you see it took 19 hours for this trade to fully hit our trade take profit target. So that's why you're patient important in trading it, as you can see. Then now after the market that it shot back up, giving us that ascending triangle, right? And then upon this ascending triangle, we could see that the market is coming back for a rebound. We could now see that it has been failing to break out this area, so we could be looking to go back down, but the market only went in for our first target. You can see give us that third touch for that upward trending line, or giving us a sign that this trade setup might not go as we planned, right? We might not come back here, but it should back up, give us that third touch, right? And then when it broke up and give us this retest, you have taken your first entry right here, looking at that as your overall target. And then when the market did come again for that retest, this was not a safe entry, but when it was giving us this retest, you could have entered your first trigger and look at this first target and overall target where the market did hit. Came back down, shut down. The market did now again shoot down. You can see we have this area where the market did retest the support area and then short, give us a massive push to the downside. And then now you can see we're gonna consolidate on that high area right there, or low area since the market is. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for US30. Looking at yearend40, and you can see that the market now did give us that first touch, third touch. We've taken your sell entry right here, and then you can see that the market did again shoot up into. We're gonna look at our overall target at this area right here, but again, if you did hold out to this good shot, right? But then the market did now come up, giving us higher highs and higher lows, showing that we are in a bullish movement, right? With that bullish movement, it was not clear. You could have taken that entry right here, but also again on this area where the market did correct, this small corrective phase right here before again shooting up. You can see this as a flag, but this was also another place to enter where the movement was not big, because you could have entered here and taken your take profit target right there. But right here we did have that bearish engulfing, right? We did have that bearish engulfing, and if you look at that from the hourly time frame, you can see we did have that full bearish engulfing, and then those three black rows, right? So you could have taken your sell entry right there on the hourly, sitting that sell entry right there, looking at that as your overall target. But with here, you can see that the market was also shooting up right now as the close of the week. So you could have taken your entry right here, but it's gonna be the last day for the year, so we're not gonna be looking at that. But yeah, it's gonna be for yearend. Looking at gold, you can see what we saw with this ascending. Just take it to that daily time frame, right? We did see this ascending pattern at the start of the week. You can go watch the weekly forecast for that. But if we take it back to the 4-hourly time frame, I mean, you can see that the market now did shoot up, gave us that falling wedge right there. Of course, we are still in a bigger rising wedge. So when it gave us that falling wedge, we are like, okay, is the market looking to break out, and then shoot up? And it did shoot up, but as you can see, we still hit that resistance area there, where the market now did play around within that resistance area for eventually shooting up, because also we are at the top of that upward resistance area. We're also still looking for sell entries, and you can see we are still in that resistance zone right there. So when the market did shoot up, you can go on the lower time frames for better trade entry spaces, right? You have taken that, looking at this area here is the final take profit target. Looking forward, because we can see that this right here on the daily, we are still in that formation of that rising wedge. So on the daily, we're still seeing that rising wedge movement, and you can see what we are having right here is an evening star. Right, we do have that evening star, so we could see a potential for the market to shoot down towards this area in the coming months, because now we are looking at this on a daily time frame analysis. But yeah, that's going to be it for gold. At the start of the week, you can see that we did have this descending triangle. Well, not clear entry. We could have seen any clear entries when the market did now shoot up here. We did see this ascending triangle, and where you could have taken your trade entry, looking at this as your first target and looking at that as your overall target. Well, the market did not go towards our overall target. You can see your first target would have been hit, right? And the market now did retrace, giving us that what you can see as well is that we do have that cap formation right there, right? We do have that cap formation, so you can see that the market might come and give us a shot towards the south side. But since it's the end of the week and the last trading week for the year, we are not going to actually focus on that. But yeah, guys, this is going to be it for the weekly forecast review. Probably like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell us what has been the highs and lows for you during this year. We'll be looking at the trade setups that we did take and that we did miss in the next video. So yeah, peace.